Graco SaniSpray HP products efficiently and safely spray disinfectants, sanitizers, and deodorizers. The industrial-grade airless sprayers utilize patented technologies to achieve the highest productivity on cleaning jobs of all sizes. SaniSpray HP sprayers are delivered with everything you need to apply your selected disinfectant, sanitizer, or deodorizer. There are several options for disinfectants on the market. A complete list of disinfectants and their dwell times can be found on the EPA and CDC websites, including list N disinfectants that fight COVID-19. At Morrell Group, we use Graco's SaniSpray HP 65 portable hopper sprayer to sanitize our offices every morning to do our part in keeping our employees and visitors safe. We use Graco SaniSpray products to sanitize our offices because they are made specifically for disinfectants, sanitizers, and deodorizers. They are also quick and easy to assemble right out of the box. SaniSpray is the fastest application method on the market. It has better coverage than traditional handheld spray bottles and pump spray bottles and achieves the appropriate dwell time thanks to its adjustable tips. To learn more about Graco SaniSpray HP airless sprayers or to place an order, visit morrellgroup.com/disinfectant-sprayers or call us today.